In this video, I am going to show how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Let's get started. Open VirtualBox Manager and create a new virtual machine. Enter virtual machine name, in this case Windows 10, and then select machine folder and type of the operating system and version of Windows operating system. Okay, then click on next. Enter at least the recommended memory size here. If you have enough RAM, increase this size. Okay, create a virtual hard disk now. Select VirtualBox disk image. You can increase the size of virtual hard disks from here. Now open settings and change some settings. Okay. Increase the number of CPU if you have enough. Enable PAENX. Enable 3D acceleration and select graphics controller VBox SVGA and maximize the video memory. Now click on this disk icon and choose a disk file, that is the Windows 10 ISO file. Select Windows 10 ISO file. Okay. Now start the installation. Okay. Select language, time and currency format, and keyboard and input method, and then click on next. Install now. Click on I don't have a product key if you don't have a product key. Now select the operating system you want to install. My case Windows 10 Professional. Then click on next. Now accept the license terms. Now click on new to create a new partition. Now format this partition. Select and click on next. This will take a while for files ready for installation. Installing features, installing updates. Windows will restart several times automatically. Don't press any key from keyboard, whether it will start the installation from beginning. Now Windows services are starting. This will take a while. Windows is getting ready. This will take a while. Now select the region or country. Select the keyboard layout. Set up for personal use. Let's add your account. Enter email address or phone number or Skype address here, or you can choose offline account. Limited experience. Okay, enter your name. Enter any name here and then click on next. Enter your password. Enter same password again. Select security question and answer this question so that you can recover your account if you have lost your password. Okay. Choose privacy settings for your device. You can disable all of these services and then accept. Okay, Windows 10 installed successfully on VirtualBox. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.